Next, we will receive a Creative Wordsmith Award, Generosity Award, Outstanding Performance in Mathematics, and with honors, Maria Precious Serenity Pilapil. Moving on to Grade 8, Africa. Our first awardee gets Most Friendly, Most Helpful, Outstanding Performance in Physical Education, and with honors, Katie Jorikin Andres. Kaide Jorikin Andres. Next is Most Kind-Hearted, Most Cooperative, Most Intelligent, Outstanding Performance in Elective 1, in English or ESL, in Mathematics with high honors. He is also the top 2 student in Grade 8 in Quimper with high honors, JP Bermiso. Next is Most Respectful, Most Honest, Outstanding Performance in Values, and in Elective 2, with honors, Marcus Liam Rafael Flores. Next is Most Enthusiastic, Most Compassionate, Outstanding Performance in Computer, and with honors, Eden Retardo.
Kamay mo, kamay mo.
Next is Most Dependable, Most